cup up with some leans. Yeah, put my dick in your bitch please. Yeah, rats come.
Hey, why you so close? Why you so close? Anyways, let's talk about this right here for a minute. I can't. Okay, I'm gonna show you, but like this. Okay, this right here. Yo, okay. That's what the video is about. Finishing the trunk, putting the gas tank in, all the bullshit. I gotta do a bunch of shit. Clean the gas tank, like the outside of it, put some coating on it and shit. The trunk, I didn't realize it, but I needed to weld another piece on the trunk. I'll explain later, you know what I'm talking about. You gonna see the video, so look at some shit, little baby.
DA got that dope. DA got the dope. My chopper got the scope. I'm working mixing coke. I put my faith in God, but now I'm losing hope. So I'ma pray to that dope. Put my faith in my work. I thank the Lord for my blessing. Lord knows it could be worse. I got some niggas in the pen. I got some niggas on the shirt. Lord knows I've been stressing. I just tryna make it work. Stretching mollies, cutting perks. I'm just working with my work. Father God, I've been losing faith. Every day it hurts. Before I pray at the church, I put my faith in my work. I hit my plug for the work. He say he dry, it really hurt. Ain't got no weed, got no perk, ain't got no lean, got no syrup. I'm like, damn, golly, I can't even serve a quarter. Told my patients keep their patience. Right now my trap out of order. All my smokers need their weed, all my snorters need their Yola. All the crackheads getting grouchies, all the shermheads want their water. I had a job at Panera Bread, I took that work to work. I was selling niggas bagels, I was selling niggas perks. I quit my job, had to jug and rob. Pray to God, but it ain't work. I tried to work, but it ain't work. So I'm working with that work. Sleeping on the floor and started kicking doors. I ain't had nowhere to go, no food or clothes. Pray to God, but nobody knows. Hey, get the plug on the phone. He got the dope. DA got the dope. My chopper got the scope. I'm working mixing coke. I put my faith in God, but now I'm losing hope. So I'ma pray to that dope. Put my faith in my work. I thank the Lord for my blessing. Lord knows it could be worse. I got some niggas in the pen. I got some niggas on the shirt. Lord knows I've been stressing. I just tryna make it work. Stretching mollies, cutting perks. I'm just working with my work. DA think they got a case, but I'ma make them work. Fuck the DA, fuck the state, fuck the judge and county clerk. Had to get it out the mud, mix the water with the dirt. I'm not a middleman, a plug. I got water, I got perks, I got Molly, I got syrup, I got rounds, I got pounds. From the ghetto to the birds, ship them pounds to your town. I could send them on the plane, I could send them on the hound. Before I ship them off, I pray. I got faith they touching down. It's a struggle to survive, we out here dodging them peoples. Pops locked back up in county, he was swiping them visas. Saw his A-League grew a struggle with my sister, 3 brothers. We shared our shoes and shared the room, we slept on floors and shared covers. I used to dream I made the league and call plays in the huddle, but reality for me was hitting stinks, serving cluckers. Mama told me keep my faith, but now I'm losing hope, so I'ma pray to that dope. Put my faith in the work. DA got the dope, my chopper got the scope. I'm working mixing coke. I put my faith in God, but now I'm losing hope. So I'ma pray to that dope. Put my faith in my work. I thank the Lord for my blessing. Lord knows it could be worse. I got some niggas in the pen. I got some niggas on the shirt. Lord knows I've been stressing. I just tryna make it work. Stretching mollies, cutting perks. I'm just working with my work.
Bruh. She not my main thing, but on the weekend she loving my crew, loving my crew.
She say she got a man, I act deaf, I don't hear her. Come here girl, stop playing, let me put it in your liver. Eat what's in my pants, babe, don't gotta go to dinner. I stole her heart, that shine, I still like sorry, I'm a sinner. Let her put my chains on, now she think she me me or something. Got a special ringtone. When it beep, I know she coming. She just put her hair on. Now she think she flee or something. Auto hit that G-spot. When she scream, I know she coming. I put her in LV. On my feet is LV. I think I'm a lover, boy. Ain't T.O. bitch like Elvis. My bitch in the front seat, my other bitch in back seat. Nardo, who your other bitch? I'm talking about my choppy. No, I keep a bankroll. Baby, count my bankroll. Put it in your purse. She say it's too much, babe, it won't go. Too much, babe, it won't fold. Too much, babe, I'm gon' choke. I know I got a lot of y'all, but baby, you my favorite hoe. She love me, she love me not. She love me, she love me not. She love me, she love me not. She love me, she love me not.
Baby in this bitch like let me through here. I need millions for the new year. Send a third, I send my crew there. Know they hate how big I blew up. Got that check for real, went Audemars Piguet and bought my blue one. Think my favorite car's my blue one. Pop that shit for real, I do this. Put my heart inside my safe deposit box, cause I ain't gon' use it. I made 40 million last year and that's just off my music. I done finally got the motherfucking ball and ain't gon' lose it. Seem like everybody snoozing while I'm steadily improving. I get money like I'm Jewish, I'm gon' be the one. She got all them braces up her arm, look like she me or something. She get new Chanel whenever she want to, like it's free or something. I been buying Birkin bags for bitches like they 3 for 1. Excuse my French, I'm sorry, mamas. This Phantom cost 500. I been lit for 5 summers. Everyone know how I'm coming. Real exotic bags for 35. We got outside pumping. Niggas don't want war with us. I'll spend it till my last 100.
Reckies on Recky. Now she think she me or some. Dressing like she techie. Now she think she me or some. Count up cash really fast. Now she think she me or some. Keep the stendo in her bag. Now she think she me or some. Walked in with a baddie. Now she think she me or some. Gon' drop the Addy. Now she think she me or some. Bust down on Audemars. Now she think she me or some. Cop another foreign car. Now she think she me or some. Bitch don't need a stylist. She must think she me or some. Always going viral. She must think she me or some. Turn up on a bad hoe. She must think she me or some. Diamonds on the rings and the chain. Think she me or some. Posted up running with a gang. Think she me or some. Flawless free band gang. Reppin' like she me or some. Yeah, put up. Wiki. Nardo, you got you one with this one.
They be like, who that? It's the motherfucker with the strap. Lay him down one by one if these suckers don't pay the tax. I can never fuck with a broke bitch unless they bring the scratch. Hopping up the 6 for golden D's in the Kango hat. There ain't no politicking, so don't you come my way. Ain't no dealing with bitches who can't even hold their own weight. I'm like a lion in the jungle, better yet a gorilla. My mind is twisted from all the bullshit that I done witnessed. I never step without the crib without my 9mm. A dose with your paranoia, cause partner this shit's with each other. I done seen too many players fall victim up to the game. So forget that this is chess and I check it, so plot your way. I used to dream, might find a thing. Taking my mama out the hood, whipping wood and grain. But now I'm whipping on a new one every single day. Pouring the AC space, swimming in champagne, couple picky rain. I used to dream, might find a thing. Taking my mama out the hood, whipping wood and grain. But now I'm whipping on a new one every single day. Pouring the AC space, swimming in champagne, couple picky rain. I'm on the move, sucking niggas thinking we cool. I'm getting money from Killer Cali to Baton Rouge. Y'all can't even get on my level, you niggas minuscule. Hanging on my nuts at cousin, you really pitiful. I'm in the 6 straight, contemplating the payday. Puffin' the Getty Green, put the bitch on like I'm Ray J. You see this pimpin' run deep inside of my veins. Cold-blooded young bitch, break it, keep it distance from these lames. I used to dream, might find a thing. Taking my mama out the hood, whipping wood and grain. But now I'm whipping on a new one every single day. Pouring the AC space, swimming in champagne, couple picky rain. I used to dream, might find a thing. Taking my mama out the hood, whipping wood and grain. But now I'm whipping on a new one every single day. Pouring the AC space, swimming in champagne, couple picky rain.
She a dime, that's one little bad motherfucker. Always been hungry, even after the millions. Did a lot of shit when I was younger, hope God forgive me. Took a lot of chances, hurt a lot of feelings, dodged a lot of cases.
All right, so now you done seen what have been sought to see. How do I explain that? Yo, all right, a little bit of light. Anyways, so you seen I had to hold up. I had to get it, clean the tank up, do the rubberized coating, sand the tank. You kind of got to like prep the surface area for all the bullshit, right? And then I bought these are S13 gas tank straps, same as R32. Now you know. So interestingly enough, this section I'm like 90% sure has to be the same as the S13. Like it has to fucking be. The tank's the same, the straps the same. You know what I'm saying? So this I totally thought was located here somewhere. I don't know why, or like back here. Don't ask me why I fucking thought that. And yeah, so I had to make this one little plate. Let me get a little, hold up. You know what I'm talking about? So yeah, I had to make this plate right though. You know what I'm saying? That's not a good look. Let's see if I can get a better angle of it. So yeah, you know what I'm talking about? I had to make the plate. And I just ran around like my selection of like random pieces of steel. This was the best fitting steel. So I took a piece of cardboard, went to the S13, traced out this shape because there's the ring here in this outline. S13's got the same shit, of course, right? And that's where this goes in. So I took the piece of cardboard, pretty much traced it, and then I ran through it and then marked the hole, drilled the hole, which I forgot to drill the hole not welded in. That's why I had to fucking run the drill in here like a retard. So I fucking did that shit, boom, welded the nut to it, so that way it's like, working, baby, you know what I'm talking about. You seen the dolly action, had to hammer this shit, curve it, so it'd match, well, there's nothing on that side, but basically that's right where the back of the car starts to turn and curve. And I left this hole here also because I might end up using that as like a grounding location for, I don't know, whatever, something it may be. But yeah, dog, full floor. We welded, hold up. We welded full floor, gas tank, gang city. So I'm gonna give you some and I can give you some drawbacks, right? Drawback one, the rubberized coating did not work that well. Maybe the can was old, I'm not exactly sure. Looks fucking great, except for I waited, I think I waited like a day or some shit, or maybe a week. I might've waited a week. I forget, I don't know. I forget, yeah, I don't remember anymore. But I think I sprayed the tank and then I waited and then I put the tank in the car and the rubberized coating didn't really dry. So when I had the tank flipped over on my stand, all like the little paper shit that was on the stand bit into the rubber. So I have like these little shitty papery zones and shit look like shit. And then when I went to put the jack underneath the tank, now normally I use like a piece of wood or something, but I had a soft pad for the black jack. And I put it underneath there and I lifted it up and it just fucking pulled fucking a bunch of it all over the place. And I'm just like, okay, that fucking sucks. Holding it in my hands, I also noticed that it was sticky in a lot of spots, some areas more than others. So I'm like, all right, either it needs to dry way longer. Maybe the can was older because that can is pretty old. That's an old ass can. So it's like, I don't know. So at this moment in time, I'm not positive I would recommend it, but like, I know like rubberized coatings don't like really like dry, but they should dry. Like bed coating, like Raptor, like, fuck, what else they got? The bed liner shit, you know what I'm talking about, right? So that, luckily, I used that on the tank, and also unlucky because I wanted to dry. Because I coated the tank so one, looks fucking sick, looks new, clean, new, all that bullshit, right? But then I also want it to be protected from being fucking ball sack slammed and all the dirt, debris, rock chunks, sand, drifting, tires, fucking bullshit that's gonna slap the shit out of it. And that's why I left the factory little plastic shield installed. Yeah, that's also why I left that on there, because that's gonna help with some of that bullshit too. Hopefully, like I said, I really hope this stupid fucking gas tank fucking rubber shit dries, because if not, that's gonna suck Bob Johnson. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Now I'm done, fun, in the motherfucking sun. I can't say I'm done, because the most expensive part of that whole endeavor is fuel pump, and fuel pump costs money, fuel lines cost money, and shit costs money. Like, yeah, every team costs big money. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, it's expensive. I don't want to talk about it right now. Also, I'll give you a sneak peek, but you see what's going on here? All right, that's all you get. That's motherfucking next week. That's gonna drop. So you don't know. I mean, I already know. You don't know yet. But next week, that shit gonna drop. You know what I'm talking about, little babe. So, yeah, gas tanks in, done, boom, boom, boom. It's tight, I'm excited. It looks pretty good. Minus the big ass gaping hole right there. But I am kind of thinking about now, it's a stupid thought. I wanna just weld the hole shut, obviously, and put like sheet metal in there. But I had this thought that since the car is gonna be a drift car, I don't know if I had mentioned this before, I might end up fucking making a bracket and putting two 8-inch little fans back here and then just paneling the gaps. Because I mean, if I could turn on a switch and all the smoke and dust, debris, dirt, all the bullshit that's stuck in the trunk and in the quarter panels, if I can pull it out of the bumper, out of the car, that'd be kind of fucking tight. You know what I'm saying? And to make that thought process, what makes sense to me on that is pulling all the dust, pulling all like the fucking smoke and the bullshit out, like they get out of the car, out of the way is nice. And back in the day, I remember that on this car specifically, when I used to go drifting, I ended up adding a fan to my intercooler. So I had an AC condenser fan in this car, but since the AC never worked, we couldn't get it to work. I took that fan out and then I powered it off of the same fan, but an aftermarket fan, and I attached to the intercooler instead. So I had the factory, when I still had the factory, what do you call it, the clutch fan? When I still had that shit, I'm like so lost. Like, it was such a long time ago. I went to E-fans in the car, I pulled the clutch fan out, and I had 3 fans. I'm sorry, my bad, I had 3 fans. Where the AC fan was, I had to put a fan on the outside where that was aftermarket on the radiator. And then I had the slim fan inside on the radiator also, and they overlapped each other, this is back 2000, like, fuck, man, like, I don't know, like 10, 12, 11, something like that, right? So like the knowledge of like having a fan shroud didn't come into play, and like I upgraded the fan to a radiator to aluminum and shit, which I actually use an Acura Integra radiator. As funny as that is, worked out pretty fucking well for the most part. But like, it's like I did that kind of shit, and because the theory at the time was like, oh, well, you're drifting, you're sideways the whole time. So I had 2 fans on the radiator, and then I had 1 fan on the intercooler. So when you're sideways, your intercooler is always constantly having air pulled on it. You know what I'm saying? Again, these are different times, you know what I'm saying, where today, if I were to want to increase the productivity of it, I would run a clutch fan, because there ain't nothing fucking better than that. And RBs have absolutely no fucking space between like the pulleys and the fucking radiator, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I would do ducting instead. So I'd make a tunnel so air would force through the intercooler into the radiator and fucking back out, you know what I'm saying? So I mean, honestly, like E-fans on the intercooler is not a bad idea also, especially if you like live here in Florida and shit, like you street slide or you slide for like a long periods of time, because you can pop your E-fans on your intercooler to help keep your air temps down, because your air, when you're going in a straight line, straight line, air is going straight through, right? But when you're sideways, the air is hitting the corner of your car, the side of your car, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, enough about that. Sorry for rambling, but I'm kind of excited right now, to be honest with you, because what's going on over there. You're gonna see that next week. That's this week. I got a lot of money to spend that I don't have, so yeah. I'll catch you on the motherfucking flip side, Chocolate City, bitch.